breathing clean air while staying comfortable and eco-conscious is essential for everyday life. Introducing the MyMSQ Reusable Protective Mask, a high-quality, lightweight mask designed for long-term use with a convenient replaceable filter system. Unlike disposable masks, it allows you to choose your protection level from FFP1 to FFP3 by simply switching the external filter in seconds. Made from durable, transparent plastic, it works seamlessly with Face ID and prevents foggy glasses. The filters, crafted from natural materials, offer options infused with herbal fragrances or standard pure air filtration. Easy to clean, resistant to disinfection, and built to last, this mask provides sustainable, effective protection for everyday use and professional settings. Sleeping outdoors should be about adventure, not discomfort or bulky gear. The Rhino Wolf sleeping bag is part of a modular attachable field sleeping unit that combines a tent, sleeping bag, mattress and cot into one lightweight, compact system. Designed for ultimate mobility, insulation and adaptability, it features a sturdy yet lightweight construction with low diameter poles and strong connectors for optimal protection. The two-layer insulation system helps regulate temperature in any weather. It connects seamlessly with other Rhino Wolf units, allowing for both privacy and group camping. Available with aluminum or ultralight carbon poles, this versatile and innovative sleep system sets a new standard for outdoor sleeping comfort and convenience. Access to clean water is essential, especially in remote locations where water sources may be contaminated. Meet the MSR Guardian water purifier, an advanced military-grade water filtration system designed for backcountry use, global travel, and emergency preparedness. It effectively removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and sediment, providing safe drinking water in any environment. With self-cleaning technology, it requires no backflushing or filter replacement, making it low maintenance. Its high-capacity pump purifies 2 to 5 liters per minute, ensuring fast and reliable filtration. The rugged construction withstands extreme conditions, and the integrity test feature ensures the system always works properly. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or preparing for emergencies, this purifier delivers trusted, high-performance water filtration anywhere. A reliable, high-quality cutting tool is essential for tackling tough outdoor tasks and survival situations. Introducing the Shagsberry Machete Knife, a masterfully crafted Damascus machete featuring 200+ layers of high-quality Damascus steel, offering unmatched sharpness, durability, and a striking layered pattern. The 25cm blade effortlessly slices through dense vegetation, wood, and heavy-duty materials, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and collectors. Its 16.5cm rosewood handle, known for strength and rich grain patterns, ensures a comfortable, ergonomic grip. Wrapped in leather for added security, it reduces hand fatigue. The slim yet robust design, paired with a leather sheath and lanyard, makes it a versatile and essential tool. In emergencies, having a versatile tool for quick escape and signaling can be a lifesaver. Introducing the Kerolite Emergency Car Flashlight, an essential 5-in-1 car escape tool that combines a wide beam mechanic light, long distance spotlight, flash beacon, car window breaker, and seatbelt cutter. Designed for emergencies, it features a high hardness alloy safety hammer for breaking windows and a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter for quick escape. With 3 lighting modes, waterproof and impact-resistant construction, and magnets on the base for hands-free use, this shatter-resistant flashlight ensures reliable performance in any situation, providing enhanced safety when you need it most.